All right, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. Justin Clark here, getting started a little bit early here and doing an early morning market analysis. I just want to look at Bitcoin today and see what's going on, what the potentials are. For those who are new, the reason that we keep such a close eye on Bitcoin is because it's a big bully in these crypto markets. So whatever happens with Bitcoin happens with the altcoins. Almost definitely when you're dealing with dumps, when Bitcoin starts dumping, everything else kind of follows. So we had the big news event yesterday with Donald Trump getting sworn into office, who's very crypto friendly right now. So that was kind of big news. And then we're just going to have to see what happens after the actual news event. Will it be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event, or will this be another leg up in the bullish trend that we have going on right now? So let's just dig right into it. If you're coming on here, if you'd like to say hello, let me know who you are, where you're tuning in from in the comments. And then also, if you want market analysis like this to your inbox on the daily, pretty much, you can follow me on Facebook or x.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right. Let me jump over here. We're going to look at what's called the MA momentum. It stands for moving average momentum chart setup. If you are a member of iCoinPro, you can click on my iCoinPro training and then go to Micro Profit System Part 3. And you'll see that training right here. It takes you about 40 minutes, and you can do it really at any point in your 1 week course to learn how to trade with the system. All right. Over here, this is the actual chart. This is in our iCoinPro trading portal, which is our custom software that we have to trade our strategy, all built from the ground up. Nobody else has this. Pretty awesome. So when you get in here, you want to go to load chart layout and click on MA momentum, and that's going to pull it up for you. And a couple quick things. These green and red things are candles. They show the price action. We're looking at a 1 day chart. So every one of these candles covers an entire day's worth of trading. Okay. This blue area that's shaded is called a Bollinger Band. When it's squeezing in like this, it indicates that we've got the potential for some volatility to occur. It can either be a breakout north or it can be a breakout south, but generally volatility could potentially occur or movement, of the asset. These other lines here, purple, maroon, yellow, green, these are the moving averages. So they're calculated by looking back at price. You don't need to know exactly how it's calculated, but you just need to know how to use it. And here's how you use them. When the price action is trading above all of these moving averages, in particular, trading over this light purple moving average on this, that means that we're potentially building up bullish momentum, which is a positive thing, right? So we're potentially looking at heading higher. The market's excited. And the more that we stay trading over that, the better. Right now we are coming and we're just tapping on this and staying above it right now, this light purple moving average. So, I mean, overall that setup looks pretty good. We might be willing to, and ready to start moving higher. We'll just have to see. I mean, we really don't know. You never know. Okay. You can't say definitely on anything when it comes to trading. And that's kind of cool. That's how we trade, is we just react to what happens in the market rather than try to predict it. But if we can't get over this 108, 109,000, 110,000 area, then we run the risk of what's called a potential double top. And a double top is something that, crypto markets don't like. We could be forming what's called a head and shoulders right now. If I zoom out probably to the 1 week chart, we'll probably see that a little bit more. Oops, that is weird. Anyway, you would probably see it a little clearer on the 1 week chart. We're going to skip that for right now. So anyway, but a head and shoulders would form. This would be a shoulder. This would be the head. And then we might undulate again. And if we do, then, that's a bearish formation in this situation. But anyway, So right now, all we need to really pay attention to is 110K. Can we get over that? If we get over that quickly, then this momentum that we're seeing here could continue, right? On the flip side, oh, I forgot to mention this, when we get stuck under all of these moving averages, and in particular stuck under this light purple moving average, then that indicates bearish momentum building. And that can take a long time, where like here from this high all the way through to when we finally were able to break through and start moving up again, you know, it was 428 days. It can be a long time when that bearish momentum starts. So yeah, so that's kind of where we're at right now. We got to keep an eye on 110K. Quicker we move above that, the better the chance that we could really see this momentum continue. If we keep futzing around in here, then we got to keep an eye on 100K on the downside. And then below that is 95 and then 90 really are the areas. And then we could see the market wanting to play with these other moving averages. So we got, you know, some stuff going on. So let's keep an eye on, 100. I mean, really, it's got to get over 105. That's been kind of an area, but 110 is really the gold ring right now. Getting over that would be very positive. But again, if we can't and we lose 100K, then we got to look at 95 and then 90. All right. Longs and shorts we're going to take a look at. Longs and shorts are people betting usually with leverage. Meaning that it's very risky trading, that Bitcoin's going in a certain direction. Hey, Lise, good morning. So the longs right now are at 55%. Longs are people betting Bitcoin's going up. Shorts are people betting Bitcoin's going down. So we're pretty much just dead even right now. So it's business as usual. This market is kind of cycling right now and trying to figure out which way it wants to go. So this could take a while till we get there. We're not going to be concerned about these till they get over 70%. Once they get over 70%, then we could see potentially some more dramatic movement. All right, last thing we're just going to check is what's good to trade right now. And using our Buddy Coin Crawler software, we're going to look at what coins are hot and what coins are not. One coin that is definitely looking like it's heating up a little bit today is ASM. So let's just check this on the 5-minute chart. Here's a nice dip trade. Wow, 14% return. So ASM's looking pretty good. So we'll definitely put that on our list. XCN, 100%. I just traded this. This one just keeps on giving, another 14% potential trade there. So those look like the two top ones. Let's see what's happening with INJ. This is looking a little quiet to me. We like noisier charts where things are really moving more dramatically. So let's see, AAVE. Oh boy, look at this. All right, we might put AAVE on our chart. Why not? Let's put that on there. Yeah, it looks like we're getting some good movement here. So that's my 3 today. It's going to be XCN on top because of the volume, almost 100 million in 24-hour volume. Then ASM, and then AAVE. All right, everybody, that is all I've got for this morning. So let's keep an eye on those couple resistance areas. Again, if you want to learn how to trade Bitcoin and crypto, and you know how to do it, there's a 40-minute free boot camp that we do, and you can do it, you know, literally right after you jump off of this. Just get back with the person who introduced you to iCoinPro or shared this video with you, or just shoot an email to support@icoinpro.com or comment on the video, whatever works for you. And if you do want market analysis like this right to your inbox on the daily, you can follow me on Facebook, x.com, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care, everybody. Have a great day, and let's see what happens.